welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Children, I know you all like to listen the story, and like you all, even Raunak likes to listen the story. And here you can see Raunak and his friends are sitting in front of Raunak's grandpa, and Raunak grandpa is telling them the story. Even we will go and listen the story. So let's begin with the story. Once upon a time, a camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water's edge. You can see in the picture a camel and a jackal. Jackal means a fox. They were living by a river near the water's edge. What is water's edge? That the border or the line where the one thing stops and another begins. Okay, so where the land was ending and the river was beginning, that was known as the water's edge. And on the other side of the river there was a village with fields and farms. On one side there was a jungle where jackal and camel were staying, and on the other side of the river you can see here there was a village with fields and farms. नदीच्या एका बाजूला जंगल होतं आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला गाव होतं. त्या गावामध्ये शेतं वगैरे होती. The jackal was very clever. You know that the jackal is very clever animal and he is cunning too. The jackal was very clever. He tried to play a trick on his friend, the camel, who was happily munching away his food. You can see here in this picture, the camel is munching something. He is eating something. Okay. So he tried to play a trick on his friend. त्याला उंटाची गंमत करण्याची लहर आली. What did he say? The jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat in a farmer's field. The jackal told him, "Come on, my friend camel, we will go to the sugarcane field and we will have the sugarcane there." कोल्ह्याला उंटाची गंमत करण्याची लहर आली आणि तो काय म्हणाला, चल ना आपण जाऊया एका शेतकऱ्याच्या ऊसाच्या मळ्यात जाऊया आणि भरपूर ऊस खाऊया. शुगरकेन यू नो. At first, the camel hesitated. He said, "No, we will not go." But in the end, he agreed to go with the jackal to raid the sugarcane field. Initially, camel said, "No, no, we won't go. We should not go." But at the end, he agreed to go with the jackal to raid the sugarcane field. सुरुवातीला camel नको म्हणाला, नको नको आपण नको जाऊया. पण शेवटी तो म्हणाला, "It's okay, we will go." The jackal sat on the camel's back and the two friends crossed the river. You can see here the jackal is sitting on the camel's back and the two friends, they crossed the river and they went to the other side of the river. There they ate their fill in the sugarcane field. You can see here they are eating the sugarcane. Jackal and the camel, both of them, they are eating sugarcane nicely. मस्तपैकी ऊस खातायत ते. As they were eating the sugarcane, then what happened? Suddenly the jackal began to howl. Suddenly the jackal began to howl. He started shouting very loudly. We say कोल्हेकू in Marathi. मध्येच त्या कोल्ह्याला काय झालं माहित नाही, त्याने जोरजोरात ओरडायला सुरुवात केली. Suddenly the jackal began to howl. The jackal began to howl. Camel said, "Shh, you will wake the farmer. Don't shout, farmers will come." The jackal went on howling, but the jackal didn't listen to him. He went on howling. त्याने काही उंटाचं ऐकलं नाही. He went on howling. And by the time, sure enough, the farmer and his helpers came running to the field. You can see here the farmers and his helpers when they heard the jackal's voice and they came with their sticks to the field. And here what happened? The naughty jackal slipped away, but the poor camel could not do so. Jackal was small, so he can run away very fast. He slipped away. But the poor camel, he could not do, so he couldn't run fast. So what happened? कोल्हा तर पळून गेला, पण बिचाऱ्या उंटाला काय पळता आलं नाही. Then what happened? The farmer beat him up and drove him away. त्या शेतकऱ्यांनी उंटाला खूप मारलं आणि तिकडून घालवून दिलं. कोल्हा तर पळून गेला, पण उंटाला काही पळता आलं नाही. So the farmer beat him up and drove him away. And that poor camel, slowly he went there. And the jackal was waiting for the camel at the riverside. The jackal was waiting for the camel. You can see here at the riverside. And when camel came there, he said, what did he say? Sorry, brother, but I am in the habit of singing after a good dinner. I hope you didn't mind it much. What did he say? I am in habit of singing after a good dinner. I hope you didn't mind it much. तो त्याला म्हणाला की मला जेवल्यानंतर गाण्याची सवय आहे. मला गायला खूप आवडतं. And I'm sure you didn't mind it much. आणि मला माहिती आहे तुला काय एवढा त्याचा त्रास नसेल झाला. Poor camel, he didn't say anything. He kept quiet, he kept mum. And then he let the jackal sit on his back and entered in the river. Now they were again going to the jungle. So again, jackal sat on camel's back and then camel entered in the river. While they were crossing the river, they reached in the middle of the river. And near the middle of the river, the water was very deep. चालता चालता नदीच्या मध्यभागी आले आणि ते पाणी खूप खोल होतं. The camel began to take a dip in the river. आता उंटाची पाळी होती. He began to take a dip in the river. You can see here. And then the jackal frightened. आता मात्र कोल्ह्याची घाबरगुंडी उडाली. The jackal frightened. He asked. Camel started taking the dip. What did the fox say? What did the jackal say? What are you doing, you silly fellow? Are you trying to drown me? तू करतोयस तरी काय? मला काय बुडवतोयस की काय? What are you trying to do? What did the camel say? No, brother, said the camel. It's just that I am in the habit of taking a dip in the river after a good meal. I hope you don't mind. Now it was the camel's turn. He said, it's just that I'm in the habit of taking a dip in the river after a good meal. I hope you don't mind. कोल्ह्याने त्याला सांगितलेलं होतं की मला जेवल्यानंतर गाणं गायची सवय आहे. तसं आता उंट काय म्हणाला? मला जेवल्यानंतर नदीमध्ये डुबक्या मारायची सवय आहे. आणि आय होप यू डोंट माइंड. Now fox came to know his mistake and then that naughty jackal or naughty fox learnt his lesson. He never troubled the camel again. And so he learnt a lesson from this. And then he never troubled the camel again. त्याने पुन्हा कधीच कॅमेलला त्रास दिला नाही. So, dear children, this was the story which was told by Ronak's grandfather to Ronak and his friends. Now, from this story, we learned a lesson. Is that tit for tat, जशास तसे. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. Now, after watching this video, you can do an activity on page number 21, that there are some pictures from the story, and then you have to put those pictures in a proper sequence. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in next session. Till then, bye bye.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.